Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Do you know what we're going to do today? We're going to mix colors and see what color it makes. Yay! We have purple, orange, red, blue, yellow, and green. Let's mix blue and red and see what color they make. Let's get a paintbrush. Are you ready? Let's get some blue. We'll use a different paintbrush. I wonder what color it's going to make. Let's add some more red. Let's mix it together. It looks like the color purple. Blue and red make the color purple. That's super cool. Let's see what other colors mixed together make. Let's mix the colors red and yellow and see what color they make. Yellow, and red. Let's give it a mix. I wonder what red and yellow make when you mix them together. What color does this look like to you? Yes, it looks like the color orange. Wow! Red and yellow make the color orange. Super cool! Let's mix other colors together and see what colors they make. Let's mix blue and yellow and see what color they make. Blue and yellow. Wow, it's changing color. How exciting is this? Blue and yellow make the color green. Wow! This is so cool. You can also experiment with mixing colors and see what color you come up with. Green. Let's see what color we're going to come up with next. Let's use purple and orange to see what color we come up with next. This is so cool. Orange and purple make red. They make the color red. So cool! Thank you for mixing colors with me today. It was so much fun to learn about colors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!